it's Mickey Indigo here with another one, and yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Razer Blackshark V2 Pros, the latest and greatest gaming headset from Razer, and I'm going to be reviewing them to these Razer Naris. Yeah, the Razer Naris. You can actually pick these up for about $65 to $80 right now, which is a killer deal. They were worth $200 not too long ago. Now these bad boys are the ones worth $200, so boy, how times have changed. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it. I've been using these headsets for a few weeks now, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's incredibly comfortable, and the sound quality is absolutely amazing. The microphone is top notch, as you can hear. Now, I love using my Shure SMB mics, but sometimes having a kid, the setup is absolutely terrible, and sometimes I just want to plop on my headset and talk to you guys. That's why I got these. So without any further ado, let's get into this review. Now let's talk about the design and comfort. The Blackshark V2 Pro is very well designed headset. It's made of high quality materials. It's very sturdy, very durable. The ear cups are made of soft memory foam, as you can see right here. They're very comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. The headset's also padded, so it's adjustable. You could get the perfect fit for any head out there. The headset's also very lightweight. After so many hours of use, you barely even notice it. Now that's unlike these bad boys. These are the Razer Naris, and I'm going to be comparing them right now. But as you can see, these are significantly larger. The top here, metal, adds to the weight. These two cups, to be honest, they're not that heavy, but combined with everything else, it's extremely heavy. And look at this microphone. I'm going to be doing a separate review on this one, so I'm not going to go into too many details, but this microphone's absolutely garbage compared to this one. This is what it sounds like with the Nari Ultimate microphone. Obviously, huge downgrade. Sound quality of the Blackshark V2 Pro is absolutely amazing. You can hear everything clearly, even the most chaotic of gaming environments. The bass is deep and powerful, but it's not overpowering. The mids and highs are also well balanced, so you can hear every detail in your games. And I'm more of a Call of Duty guy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm more of a Modern Warfare 2 person. I like to hear these footsteps, and with the new feature that this last generation didn't have, you can actually change the equalizer settings on the fly without actually using the PC crappy software that Razer gives you. So let's say that you're playing on PlayStation, right? All you do is double tap the button and it'll say Call of Duty. Boom, you know that your equalizer settings are to Call of Duty, and you're going to be hearing those footsteps from the directions that they're coming from, which is absolutely impressive. Let's talk about something else that the last generation doesn't have, and that's Bluetooth. So you can actually use Bluetooth. So in between matches, let's say you're hearing a YouTube video on your phone, right? Well, all you do is double tap it. Now you're in your phone listening to your YouTube video. If the match starts again, double tap it, boom, you're back in the game. Very effortless. I'm very impressed with the quality and the ease of use that Razer's given us for just a $200 price tag. It's extremely impressive. So yeah, that alone for me is worth shelling out the extra $200, as opposed to what are these at? Maybe $80 to $120, depending on where you get them from. So that alone, but not to mention the microphone this comes with, you can hear the quality right now. Right now, my quality sounds a lot better than a lot of YouTubers using their regular microphones. And to me, that's impressive just for $200. You're telling me that I'm getting extremely good audio in my ears. I'm getting a Bluetooth capable headset that can switch between my phone and my computer, and I get to use a microphone for making videos that I don't have to set up my Shure every time I want to make a quick video. I just plop it on, and it's wireless. Insane. What a value package. For me, overall, I'm absolutely loving the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. It's a great headset for gaming, and it's also very comfortable to wear. But last but not least, I can't end this review without talking about the amazing battery life that it has. 70 freaking hours. I think last generation had maybe 20 to 30 hours, if that. These are 70 freaking hours. Man, if you're looking at these guys could be like anywhere from 4 to 8 hours if you're lucky. If you're lucky, without the haptic feedback. But we do have to mention there are no haptic feedback, so you're kind of trading in the quality of the sound with the haptic feedback you'd get from the Naris or their successors. Now, I'm gonna get back to the Naris because remember, haptic feedback does give you an advantage in the sense that if you hear footsteps, it's vibrating in your ear, you feel it. But to be honest, if you're asking me, the Blacksharks 2023s all day. Obviously, the pros outweigh the cons for me, and I'm gonna stay tuned. Click that like button, click that bell icon for these reviews to let you know if it's worth picking these up for $60-$80. Remember, they were worth $200 at one point. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. I made this video using AI, by the way. If that's something you're interested in and you want me to go ahead and expand on that, and shoot, I'll even be willing to teach people how to use it, let me know for more videos. Smash that like button, send a comment below, and let me know how I did and what you guys think. And you thinking the Naris, or are you thinking the 2023 Blacksharks? Alright guys, I'm signing off. You already know. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your continued support will keep this show going.